It's mid-September and it's time that we start putting our garlic in. And we're laying it out and just planting it roughly about 6 inches apart. And we'll get this where to get a start before it gets real cold, which for us is going to be quite a few months. When you plant your garlic, normally you're going to take a clove and you're going to break, or a bulb, and you're going to break it off into cloves. And you're going to plant the cloves. Now you don't want to plant little ones. You want some that are fair size, and I have two different types of garlic here. But also, you may have had some, and this is kind of small, but it's going in the ground anyway, but you may have had some that never developed cloves. They just a single bulb. Now these, if you plant them back in the ground, next year they'll grow into a garlic bulb with cloves just like the rest of them. Now some garlic, like elephant garlic, it puts off little nodules in there, and a lot of times you'll miss one and it'll come back up wherever you had your garlic planted. But what you can do with these nodules is you can plant these. Now the first year they'll make another bulb, and then you plant that bulb the next year, and it'll make cloves. Now you can eat the bulb. I mean, it's garlic, if that's what you want to do, or if you want more garlic cloves, then you just, when you pull them up, you let them dry, the bulbs, and then plant those bulbs back, which we have done that with some of them. And they make really large elephant garlic plants because the bulbs are usually about half dollar size. So anyway, we save all these. We're going to plant these separate from the rest, so we'll know which ones they are, and let them grow up big, and then harvest them next year too. When you're planting garlic, you want to plant this about 1.5 to 2 inches deep, and you want the part where the roots were down, the pointy part up. Just push it in there and cover it over. It's that simple. Happy gardening.